Our iceberg season in Newfoundland and Labrador runs from about the February time frame up to most of the time late June, and even sometimes into July. Ice management in our coastline and our offshore here in Newfoundland and Labrador is very important. The ice formations pose a serious threat to the safety of operations at sea, both for ships that are navigating our waters as well as the oil platforms that are operating in our offshore.
Home to the treacherous North Atlantic waters known as Iceberg Alley, Newfoundland and Labrador is also home to the pioneering technology of ice surveillance and management. Derek Scott is the Vice President of Program Development at Provincial Aerospace, a Newfoundland and Labrador-based firm that holds the government contract for monitoring the Canadian coastline.
Our company commenced its ice surveillance operations in the early 1980s in response to a need for the oil industry to locate ice formations on the Grand Banks of Newfoundland. Within a stone throw of here is the North Atlantic. It is one of the harshest and most challenging environments in which companies such as Provincial Aerospace operates in. So the foundation is that once we develop a capability for this environment, it becomes very easy for us to then employ that capability or technology elsewhere around the world, because the environment here mandates that you do this to exacting standards and to very high quality standards. And this is the reason why companies like Provincial Aerospace have been extremely successful, not only domestically, but also internationally.
Judith Bobbitt's company, Oceans Limited, is the first in the world to provide the offshore oil and gas sector with 3D imaging of icebergs, key information for towing and moving the massive objects.
The benefit of setting up a company here is the amount of technology that's already here for working in harsh environments and the experience of people using this technology.